right, this is a Lexus NX, and I'm going to show you how to lay the rear seats down flat so you can have more cargo space in this vehicle. But before we get started, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel for more great content? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I have the Lexus NX, and you can see I'm in the rear of the vehicle, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk in. You see that there are two seats right here, or there's actually one seat with divided backrest, and we're going to show you how to lower those for more cargo space. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at the bottom of the seat right here. Do you see this right here? You're going to pull up on this lever, and the seat falls forward. And what you do is you just basically like make sure it lays down flat. It should go down flat, just like that. All right, so you have that one, and then you go around to the other side of the vehicle. Go around to the other side of the vehicle, and there is another lever. You're going to take it, pull it up, lay that down flat. Look at that. Now you've laid down the seats flat for more cargo space. Now you want to go to the back of the vehicle, open it up. Going to open it up. It's going to open up right here, and voila, look at that. Look at the space that you have for the vehicle. You can go ahead and remove this by simply raising this thing up right here if you have this in place, and just taking this off, and you will be able to have a lot of space in here for putting things down. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.